Guys, I hope you all are keeping fine and taking good care of yourself. Well, today for my dessert, I'm gonna make the Ras Malai mix. So let's go. So for our Ras Malai mix, here is all like things we need. It is written on the back side of the packet. We need milk, sugar, egg, oil or butter, or like this Ras Malai mix packet. And I will share this all like recipe with you in the video. So what we have at the moment, we have like this butter, we have like sugar, oil, and then I'm taking like this milk is very good for desserts, for making desserts. This is like so good soya and it's full of calcium as well. And along with that, I have like this. I will use this lactose-free milk. It's a full cream milk. So let's go. What I'm gonna do, I'm just putting 5 cups of milk into the pan. Already I have put 4 cups, and then 2 glasses of water. This small glass or small cups of water, along with half cup of, I have this raw sugar, so you can use any sugar, white sugar, and then we can mix it nicely. And we like, and then on a like a medium flame, we can boil it for some time till the like this water, milk, and the sugar is like I mixed it, and I have left it to boil on a medium flame. Till then, what we can do here, what we can do, we can make this on the recipe. It is like we will mix the egg, butter or oil along with this ras malai, and we make a soft dough of it, and we can knead it and make a soft dough, and then at the end we can make small flat or oval shaped balls of the ras malai. So I've already added the ras malai, and then here is a butter as well. So I've added some butter as well, but you can also, if you don't have butter, you can use simple spread as well, or you can use oil. But I'm also adding for some like 1 tablespoon of oil into it, and then we can mix it nicely. Yeah, and now we are going to mix it nicely, and then we knead it, and then we at the end, after kneading, we can make small oval and flat shaped balls of ras malai. Yeah, so also you can add like 1 tablespoon of water to mix it nicely. You have seen that the milk is properly boiled. Now during that time, I have like mixed the ras malai along with oil and ghee, and then after kneading it properly, then I made these small balls of ras malai. So what we can do, we can keep on putting these small balls into the boiling milk, and then we keep on mixing it so that they become properly like they increase in the size. They will swell after some time, and yeah, so we can leave it for the next like 5 minutes into the boiling milk, and we keep on stirring it nicely, these balls. So, and we have to also be very careful that these balls should not be broken, so we have to keep on stirring it, and then till then the ball size will be increased to a bigger size. So we can leave it for 4 to 5 minutes. As you have seen that I have just put the balls into the boiling milk, and I will leave it for next 2 to 3 minutes, and then I will take out this like ras malai into this bowl and will put it in my fridge, and after when it becomes so cold, then I will take it out and will eat it. Yeah, and you can also like, yeah, serve to your friends as well this healthy dessert. It's very simple to make. I will share this like recipe, ras malai recipe, with you in this video. And if anyone wants to know more, then of course on this Thursday David dinner, I will be on the Zoom, so I can share the recipe or other Asian recipes as well with you. Till then, take good care of yourselves, stay healthy, eat healthy, stay happy. Bye. I hope our Ras Malai is ready to eat as well. Here it goes. It looks so cold at the moment, and we can see it. Here it goes. This is the final version of our Ras Malai. I hope you like it.